Okay. Oh, baby, I'm recording. Here, shut the. Okay, peace, family in Christ. I'm just going to get into the trades because, like I said, I'm trying to get it's um, Saturday evening. I'm just going through the watch list on what trades set and what I'm looking at. Okay, already did on my week, real quick. Real quick, I've already set up my I've already set up. Okay. I went in there where we had a higher a high and a lower high. Okay. So I just basically did my high here. Okay. And then did my the lower high here. Okay. Just get as close as I can. I'm not going to be exact. That's what I do my Fibonacci. This is on the week. Okay. And then after that, I go to my day. Okay. Then the daily. You see this here. This is the daily chart. Okay. This is the high and the close, the low. Okay. And let's see if I can do which the high was 148.97. 148.97 and the low 141.88. I think it's 141.88. Okay. And that was on my daily. So I'm going to change this because this is market close. I just do that so I can identify this is market. Okay. What I do here, there's three lines, okay? And I'll show you that in there. Okay. What I do solid is market high. I do the breaks on the daily because that's indicates market. And let me show you this. Okay, we still and then on my and then I do my pre-market with these smaller lines. Okay, let's go do this. Let's maximize this. So I can see it. Okay, this is my 15-minute mark. So I'm going back to see if I have any. Okay, I got another pre-market. So let me put this in here. I just do this pre-market. Okay, this is aftermarket. Another pre-market here. and the aftermarket. Like I said, I use my little I use my soaps. You'll see the all the little small dots. This is my weekly, daily, which is market uh, market support and resistance. You see that? Market support and resistance. And this here is aftermarket support and resistance. And that right there, I'm going to put here. And you'll see it'll come clear once you're doing it. This just helped me. You do anything that you can to identify support and resistance, okay? And what I'm trying to say about support and resistance, this right here, we have aftermarket support and resistance, and then here goes pre-market. It has established a higher high. So we already established 1, 2. So it's going up to that's 3. 1, 2, 3. And broke up, and look what happened. It opened up and went to uh, to a market high, came back down and retested pre-market, and then went back up and then retested the market high. So that was, you're talking about, so it's got 1, 2, 3, but it didn't break it. 1, 2, 3. These are market support and resistance. Okay. This is the high. Now, look at there. 1, 2, 3 lower highs. And it went down. NVIDIA went down. But it also showed it already here. Okay. It came up. This is pre-market, pre-market high. Okay. That's pre-market high. And it already established 1, 2, didn't break the high, which was 150 from the NVIDIA, right? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Come back down. 1. Now we got a we got a high, and then we have a higher low, and and lower and a lower low. Okay, you see that? See that? It's taken out all these 5. It's this low has taken out this these lows, and these are candle changes, but it hasn't broke through here yet. If you see, it didn't take out this set of lows, so now it comes back up and retest, right? This is your your buy. This is what you've been waiting for. This is 6:45. This is at 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock my time, 10 o'clock East Coast time. And what does it do? It goes down. But I want to show this, all your aftermarket, pre-market, and market support and resistance have been met. Um, this is, I can identify and really understand what was, higher highs, higher lows, but I'm hoping that you see it. If you don't, leave it in the comments, okay? But look at this has started the trend, a downtrend, okay? It's broke support resistance high there, high, and it's continued. It resisted, resisted, and continued to go down. for the rest of the day. This right here, you could sold if you just trading for an hour or two. That's say that's 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Don't worry about too much. The times is important, but my main thing is understanding every one of these lines you see. This is market support and resistance. This is my high and low that you see that we marked on the weekly and the daily. Okay, this is showing that this is your top. If the NVIDIA was going to create a higher high, you would have seen a candle. And when I tell you, I said, babe, the candle, the candle has to come off yesterday's high. It must open up above, like it did here, open up above yesterday's high. But in this case, it had to take out, that candle needed to do like this. Okay? Let me see if you see. That candle needed to, that candle needed to do this. And then I said it must hold support on yesterday's close. This would be the close, right? This is support. And then it would bounce back up. Wait a minute. Let's redo that. Let me get this right. It has to come up and this is our candle. And then start establishing, wait, establishing support. These are the forecast. This forming. We always say forming these three soldiers of higher highs. And this is what this is what would have brought you back up to retest that 154 and 155. I'm hoping this is making this clear. My main thing right now is to get you guys aware of a trade on what to look at after support and resistance have been met, after aftermarket, pre-market, market. In this case, it didn't go past and make it past its high. Remember, it went to 150. Remember, it Apple and I mean NVIDIA went all the way to 150, 152, 154, 155, 155, 56. You see it. This is where it was at. Okay. Now we are in this stage. Now it has hit market. Okay. It has hit uh, market high on our daily chart. Okay. Reason why I know this, because this is how I set my. So right now, it has established a market high of support on the daily. Okay. So that means pre-market and market has been met so far in pre-market, but we're waiting for Monday's open to see if it starts to establish strong candles. Okay. We need this candle. Remember, this candle have to come here. This candle has to break through all this and take out all previous lows to show that financial institutions are taking over. So your view would be this. You will see after we will be establishing highs like this. But what I want you to be careful though, if it creates another, see, this is 1, 2, and it broke. Now we're here. We actually ranged here last week. This is really a range. Still make money, but this is ranging. We don't know if it's going to range for the rest of the week. Just look at support and resistance levels. Buy and sell off of support and resistance levels. Okay? If it comes down and hits support off of 144 and holds support, then it's going back up 147, 148, retest 147, 147, because this is 1, 2, 3 lower high. This is where it broke. It could do the same thing like Tesla. Boom. Remember when Tesla couldn't get past 415? It couldn't get past 427. It's testing the same area. It's establishing lower highs. It's establishing lower highs here. But is this going to be the support that to bring it back up before it goes down? If not, then we're going back down 137. This is going to be this will be our a target price. 137. Target again, 147. Then retest 150 if you can get back to the line of scrimmage into the red zone. Corner, post, it ranges. I mean, post, pylon. I just use this. That's how I can identify it. That means bears is pushing it back down. And then it's going to come back here to this support level, 137. Okay? It might go the week, it might do it in that day. Just if it doesn't go, then you know. If it opens up and opens up, bounce back up, resist 141, 141, 143, and come back down, then it's going to retest. But if it goes here, it's going to there. If it comes up here, it's going to come up to 140. Okay? Do you understand market support and resistance to pre-market, aftermarket support and resistance? I'm going to see if you can see that. Let me see if I can make that better. Okay? This is where we at. We're waiting. And say it gaps up and boom. And it resists the market support. Then it's going down to 140. But if it opens up below yesterday's high here, and then it's going down to 139 and then maybe shoot back up. We don't know, but at least you know nothing's going to be a surprise. Okay. Okay. That's NVIDIA. I'm going to try to go to my next trade. Um, I'm going to post, I'm going to go back over Tesla, whichever one pops up. Okay. So that's NVIDIA. We did FFIV. We're going to do MSTR. MSTR is going to be a real big trade for you. I'm trying to see how it's going to play out. Okay. So go back and look out for that video. Don't forget to subscribe. Um, and so you can get the notification. I'm going to be putting these videos out um, just as I go through them. Okay. And all these that I'm having on my watch list, and I have to make a pick on which one that I want to go on. So I don't know if you're trading about NVIDIA or you're trading MSTR or you're trading Tesla or you're trading any other ones that I have. But hopefully, like I said, when I get things going, my goal is to open up the my holding company, and I'll still be sharing with you my strategy. I'm trying to help the 98%, as Jesus said. Listen, I'm here to get the sick, those who need it. I'm that 98% that couldn't see how simple this was. Again, I don't. You can use AI. They are simple. Just use something, babe. But this right here is the foundation for you to learn how to manage the talents as your master of your money before you, if you give it to somebody to do and manage your money, you better make sure that they're giving you what you're entitled to. Okay, this is banks or whatever, trust, your financial advisor. Talk to them. Let them know you know who you that I know what I'm doing. I'm asking you to be me. And when I come back, I want to see my talents accumulate. Okay? Our gatekeepers are taking our money, babies, and it isn't their fault because you're the one who's taking that is following them. And you don't need to do that. James 1:5 has mentioned that. Anybody, if you need knowledge, ask the one who's given the one who you're trying to follow. Okay? So look at it. Go back and look at your support and resistance. Look at this support and resistance. This is what I'm saying. It could come off and redo, but it may go up and then come back down. Now, looking at it, already found support on 137. NVIDIA may start to create the high to come back and retest before. Just look at it. Play this video over and over again and see if the points that I'm pointing out to you are clear. If it isn't, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to break it up piece by piece on every time level on when I draw from my 3 week, from here. Like I said, normally I go back 11 candles. See, I go back where it starts. And that's why you see so many busy lines. Why? Because AI is in the picture now, guys. And let me tell you something. I've seen, look, this right here, I've seen where, let's go back here. I seen where it went up to where they were making moves like this, $1, and took everybody, all the trades So look at all these contracts. Imagine if it just stays right in here and just moves a dollar. It's going to go to, like I said, we said 138. It's going to go to 138. But look at all the contracts that the house is getting on both sides. Hey, listen, institutions ain't winning and the traders aren't winning. The house is winning. So, okay, I'm on a tangent about to speak in tongues. You're not going to know. I'm going to be all over, everywhere. So just watch, you know, watch where I'm saying. Okay, babes. I just, this is important to me. I just want everybody to be able to take care of their family. By taking care of their family, um, it's what God wants us to do. He said, take care of those that I put before you, and everybody else is follow. When he walked, baby, he didn't go get nobody. He walked and people gravitated to him, not because he was wearing fancy clothes or doing all these other things that we do to get attention. He didn't do that. Okay? He didn't do that, guys. He just was himself. I like that. Let me see that. Stick on that. Let's stick on 15 minutes. I like just playing around with it. I just did another Fibonacci. You guys see what I did on this candle. I'm gonna see it. Yeah, still still the same thing. Okay. You can see what I just did. So we have market high, market low, and um, market high. If test if let's wind this up. Give it some more room. You can always go back and slow it down. So thing is, if NVIDIA goes up, opens up, opens up, and start establishing higher highs, it's going, that means it's going here. But remember, it may retest this area and drop down. Okay. It may retest this area and drop down before it goes up. That means it opens up. This might be the high. So it may come here. Let's see here. And there goes another market high here. Good. So, market high low here. You see that 1, 2, 3. So I'm at a little bit more. I thought I said goodbye, but come back and look at this one. I like this. So the pre-market, it hasn't even it might go here um uh and double top here. See that? That's how I identify a pre-market high. See, pre-market high, it might come up and come off of here, but it's not. Remember, I said it might keep doing these little candles, little candles, not strong candles. See, it's not strong candles. It's not breaking through the support and resistance that it should be breaking through. This needs to come out and take out all these lows. It needs to take out all these lows. These, okay, it took this low out and it must take this low out. Wait, let's see. So it goes up, establish up. Let's see if we got any. Okay, yeah, we have a what time is it? I can't see the time. Let's see. So one, two, and three. It held support. Look at that. One, two, three, held support. Come down off of this is pre-market, still held support. That's why it went up to 149. Now it's just past it. And okay, now, oh look, now it's creating, see that lower high? See that, you guys? So it may have a probability if it doesn't hold, if it starts to go down up under here, you got, you have, if it doesn't hold, go up, and say it'll go probably here and then bounce up, or it's going to go down, like I said, at 139, 138. Hey, hold this one. Go back and keep looking at that if you can, and make sure, like I said, see if this if it forms this candle. See that one? That's a strong candle. See that? That candle took out all these lows and came back. Tesla got support. This is what normally stop everybody out. I seen Tesla do 50 tail, and I believe that's taking out all the stop losses. Everybody who's in there stopped them out, went back in, and saved all the money for those who didn't put a stop loss in there or whatever. If they didn't put the stop loss all back here under the market close, and you did a stop loss here, you're stopped out. You know what I mean? If you did that stop right here off this big candle, you stopped out. So that's just another video. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. Keep this, go back on it, okay? Review it. I think this is a better illustration of going in there, showing this is a triple top on there. One, two, three, it's down. And we're forming the same here. If it holds this support, it's going up, but you have to look at these support levels because it may not, it might be a fake, fake breakout or a range. But just please look at the candles, look at what's forming, uh, and understand what's about to play out. Okay, guys. I'm gonna post my other video now.